Hey, seventh grade. Just got three things for you today. So, first of all, just wanted to remind everybody to finish up with the Giver movie. If you haven't had a chance to do that yet, I'd like to get those wrapped up because we're going to begin a new project this week. So, you'll answer the questions and watch the movie through Edpuzzle. You'll find the link for that in Google Classroom right in your stream. If you have any questions on that, shoot me an email. Secondly, today we're working on Khan Academy. We are on the second half of our commas unit. Because it's such a big unit, unlike the other units where I just push out everything at once, this one I divided up. So last week you got 17 lessons. This morning I pushed out 16 lessons. And next Monday, I'll give you the unit test. So just continue your work through that and practice quizzes, videos, lessons, and then next week you'll be ready to go for the unit test, which is 13 questions. So again, you won't find the unit test yet, but that will be ready next week. Then Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday this week in English, join us for a Google Meet where we're going to talk about our topics for our upcoming research project. Tuesday and Thursday, we'll just focus on becoming familiar with the 13 topics and what they are and where your stance is on each of those, and really help you pick out which one you're passionate about. Then on Friday, you'll make your final selection and let me know which one you're going to use for your research project. Then next week we'll begin researching. So, really, again, this week is about picking out our topics and just becoming familiar with those. And Wednesday is PE day. So, join us on Wednesday for Google Meet, where you'll just update Ms. Crudo individually on what you've been doing to stay active during our remote learning time. If you need help with any of those ideas and what to do, maybe your bike's put away or skateboard or something like that, make sure to let us know and we'll come up with some fun ways for you to keep moving. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're having a good week and off to a good start. Have a great day.